Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Every morning we have this question, what to pack in the lunchbox. So I hope this lunchbox series will prove useful to many of you. What do we have in our lunchbox today? Lovely soft chapatis and a very tasty bhindi fry. Wash and wipe the bhindi, that is the okra, very well and then pat it dry with a cloth like this. Trim the top and end like this, then just slit it vertically. If it is very large, then again you can make it into half or leave, or if it's a small one, you can leave it like this. For making the chapatis, I have kneaded 1 cup of atta with a pinch of salt. We made it into a soft dough. We'll keep it aside to rest for now. See, our bhindi is also chopped and ready. Next we'll make a masala for this. So here I have some roasted groundnuts. You can take about half a cup of roasted groundnuts. Take it in your blender jar. Dry roast 2 teaspoons of besan, that is gram flour, in a kadai. Just roast it on a low flame for a few minutes till the raw smell goes. That is enough. Now we can switch it off. Crush this roasted groundnuts to a slightly coarse powder. Add this coarse powder of groundnuts to your roasted gram flour. Add some turmeric powder, salt to taste, chilli powder, a large pinch of hing. This is some dry mango powder, that is amchur powder. About half a teaspoon you can add. Now mix all these dry ingredients well together. This will add a very good taste to our bhindi fry. See the texture, it should be slightly coarse like this, need not be very fine. Now keep this aside. Now heat about 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Now add half a teaspoon of Jeera or cumin seeds to it. When it is roasted, add this chopped bhindi. The basic trick is in wiping the bhindi dry before chopping. Then it will not be sticky. Mix it all very well and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Whenever I make this bhindi fry, I am reminded of our stay in Gujarat, where uncle was posted for a couple of years. So it was my first trip to Gujarat, and that time my cook had made this bhindi fry. She said, I'll make bhindi fry. I said, okay. Then when I went into the kitchen to have a look, I was surprised that she had cut it vertically, because over so many years in South India, we always used to chop the bhindi only into round pieces. And I said, my God, look at the way she has cut it. But then there is something behind it too, because that is the way they cut the vegetable for the fry, and possibly that way you get to see that there are no insects inside too. A very simple and affectionate lady. So every time I remember her when I cut the bhindi vertically like this, because that is the first time I saw bhindi being made in that method. And this masala which you add to the bhindi gives it an awesome taste. Definitely try it out. Of course, I must say that we really enjoyed our stay there, especially during the Navratri season, enjoyed the Garba, and the people nobody can match the hospitality and affection shown by the Gujaratis. Lovely food, lovely people, we had a wonderful stay. Now let's check on our bhindi. See, our bhindi is nearly done now. And you can see that it is not at all sticky at all separate, cooked perfectly. Now at this stage, we will add in this masala to it. and as much as required. If you have excess, you can always store it and add it to any other sabji next time that you are making. Mix it all well and allow it to cook for another 4 to 5 minutes more, and it is done and ready. See, our tasty bhindi fry is done and ready. A perfect combo with soft chapatis. We are just making simple chapatis. So we'll roll out the dough. Today I am using this reusable kitchen towel. This is made of bamboo. You can actually wash it and use it again and again. So it's a good idea to help you pack your chapatis well in this. Now we'll place our bhindi fry at the side. Be ready to receive a lot of compliments when people come back home after having this lunch. Thank you for watching the video. Next time you make bhindi, try out this method, which will not be sticky and very delicious too. And we'll meet again with our next episode of our Lunchbox series.